Everyone, and welcome to this quick video that's going to show you the FDP Compass. That's for fractions, for decimals and for percentages. It will help you to convert most fractions to a simple fraction that's easy to convert into decimals and percentages, and even to a mixed number when you're dealing with improper fractions. So let's see how you do it. So we have got here 48/60ths. Okay, now the two most important parts, and probably the two most difficult parts to remember, is that we must always travel north first. Travel north first means that we'll get our fraction converted into something over 10, changing the denominator in this case from 60 to the denominator of 10. So it's asking that other important question: how do you divide the denominator so it becomes 10? So I'm asking myself the question, what would I do? How would I divide 60 to make it 10? And if I remember that 60 divided by 6 equals 10, I will just note down that I'm dividing by 6 to convert my fraction. So then I can do 48, and I can divide that by 6. And 48 divided by 6 is 8. So 48/60ths is the same as 8 over 10. Now, if you know what 8 over 10 is as a fraction, you should be able to convert that quite easily to a decimal. If you're not too sure, there will be another video and another tutorial to show you how to do that. 8/10 as a decimal is 0.8, and as a percentage, it is 80%. Let's do another one. This is 21/30ths. We're going to do the same thing again. How do we go from 30 to 10? And if you're getting the hang of this, you'll find quite quickly that you've got to divide by 3. Then I've got to also divide the numerator, the 21, by 3. And 21 divided by 3 is 7. So 21/30ths is the same as 7/10ths, which you should be able to quickly convert into 0.7 as a decimal and 70% as a percentage. Now we'll just take a look at one more. We're going to have a look at an improper fraction, because an improper fraction means we can go south as well as north, east and west. We've got here 7/5. Now this is slightly different because the denominator of 5 is smaller than the denominator of 10 that we need to convert to. And hopefully you can see that straight away you multiply the 5 by 2 and it'll get you to 10. So we also have to multiply the numerator, the 7, by 2. So 7 multiplied by 2 makes 14. So we have got 14/10ths when we go north. Now we've got to be a little bit more careful when converting top-heavy fractions to decimals. 14/10ths is the same as 1.4, and 14/10ths is the same as 140%. Remember that 10 over 10 is the same as 1 whole, which is the same as 100%. So we've travelled north, we've travelled east, and we've travelled west. We now need to travel south. And it goes back to working with this fraction as fifths. And what we need to do is make here a mixed number. And a mixed number is made by working out how many lots of 5 you can get from the numerator. So if I divide 7 by 5, how many lots of 7 can I get? Sorry, how many lots of 5 can I get from 7? I can get 1 lot with a remainder of 2. And to put that into a mixed fraction, I would have 1 whole and 2/5 left over. So that is your fraction compass. It's a quick introduction. You've probably seen it in class before you've seen this video, but if you're not too sure, come see me about it anyway and have a go at the questions underneath. Thank you.